Yo, what is up? Bruce Lee again with another quick and easy tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to tint your fog lights. You will need to remove the front bumper and the fog lights to do this. I've got videos on my channel explaining how to do both. So I'm going to be using some Headlight tint film. First things first, you need to cut the film to shape. So for this I found the best method is to heat up the fog light itself. As it's made of glass, I find it holds the heat and it's a lot easier to apply the film. Using a heat gun, apply a steady heat to it and keep checking to make sure obviously you don't get too hot. Next you need to peel off the backing on the adhesive side of the film. You need to lay it down in one swift straight line across the fog light first in the center. Following this, gently lift each corner and pull it away from the center, and that way you get a nice even finish. Once it's warm, it will stretch. So doing it like this, the glass stays nice and hot and keeps the film warm, so you find you can work with it a lot longer before you need to apply heat again. Simply lift and stretch all the way around. Obviously be careful not to stretch it too much. You may need a few attempts of this, but once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy. The main thing you're trying to avoid here are air bubbles. Apply heat again and pull the sides down. You want to make sure there's no lines, no creases. Get it down as flush as you possibly can. Bear in mind, once the fog light surround is on, you're only going to see the front of it anyway, so it doesn't matter if the sides are too messy. Be careful not to get the film too hot because it is plastic, it will melt, and if you stretch it too far it will split in the middle as well. Once you're done, trim the excess off with a pair of scissors, or on this particular fog light there's a ridge that runs around the outside. You can insert a blade into that ridge and just follow it around, and that way you get a nice clean finish. Peel off the excess around the sides and you can peel off the front protective film. After that, it's just a simple case of refitting. I hope you find these straight to the point tutorials helpful. For more of them, check out my channel, hit subscribe, like, leave me some comments and let me know what else you need to see. Peace out.